Do you have long, luscious, luxurious hair? And are you tired of the unbearable noise your hairdryer makes every time you need to dry your hair? Does it wake up your family, annoy your pets, and cause your neighbors to file noise complaints? Well, look no further than the all-new, all-improved Hush Hush Hairdryer. Fitted with revolutionary anti-noise technology such as noise-canceling insulation, frequency-blocking nanofibers, nuclear monolithical inhibitors, and quantum silencing, this hairdryer is guaranteed to give you the quietest hair drying experience of your life. Comes in 4 models such as standard, padded, focused, and luxury. Now your family won't be woken up. Your pets won't run away. And your neighbors can finally get back to complaining about your shared fence instead. So order now for the cheap, cheap price of $53.17. But wait, there's more! If you order now, we even throw in that free remote.
The Hush Hush Hairdryer has changed my life. It is a life-changing product.
The Hush Hush Hairdryer is revolutionary. It has revolutionarized my life.
Hush! The Hush Hush Hairdryer has truly let my hair live up to its full potential.